Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with another tune-up report on this President Lincoln 2 for Chip here in Kentucky. Chip, we done this one up the same way we did your other one. Excellent little radios. I'll show you what we got here. Our power all the way down. 5-watt slug going forward. Over half a watt carrier. 5 watts all the way up. Back it back down here. 100-watt slug going forward. PEP mode. Bottom scale. Hello audio. Hello audio. A good 52 to 53 watts on AM. Gonna go over here to sideband mode. Gonna turn the RF power all the way up to show peak performance on sideband. 100-watt slug. Hello audio. Hello audio. About 56, 57 watts. Chip, it's ready to come home to you, my friend. We'll see you tomorrow from truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bye bye.